Introducing Element Dice 2. Precious metals. Gold. Silver. Platinum. And rhodium. Each dice is coated with 100% pure precious metal, allowing you to fully experience what real gold and other precious elements look and feel like, but without having to sell one of your kidneys. And oh, are these dice shiny! Made of pure metal, they are over 6 times heavier than plastic dice, and evenly weighted for a random roll. And did I mention they're shiny? So shiny, you can literally see your reflection in 24 carats of pure freaking gold. Yeah, it doesn't get more boss than that. Element Dice. Roll dice like the gods.